Hello guys, my name is Ngoni, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Altcoin Trader to trade and also to exchange your bitcoins to buy crypto and also to perform all other things that you can do on a crypto exchange. So Altcoin Trader is a crypto exchange in South Africa, but it's not limited to just South Africa. You can use Altcoin Trader wherever you are, as long as you are able to deposit and to withdraw. And I'm going to show you the process of how to register an account on Altcoin Trader, and I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin, how you can deposit Bitcoin, how you can sell your Bitcoin, and how you can withdraw your rands inside Altcoin Trader. So without further ado, let's get into the Altcoin Trader website, and I'm going to show you how to do the things that I said. So what I'm requesting you to do is to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, because I'll be giving you more of these videos that are going to benefit you in terms of cryptocurrencies. And I'm encouraging you to watch this video until the end, because I am going to be giving 500 Rand worth of Bitcoins to 5 lucky people who are going to get 100 Rand each worth of Bitcoin. So please watch along this video, because along this video that's where I'm going to tell you guys what you need to do for you to qualify to be the one to be chosen to win the 100 Rand worth of Bitcoin into your account. I'm here at the Altcoin Trader account, one of the biggest crypto exchanges in Africa. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click on register, right? So when you register, you put your username, your email, your password, you confirm your password, then you put this captcha here after you read the terms and conditions and agree with them. Then you can click on accept the terms and conditions, then register. So what will happen is an email will get sent to your email address. I'm gonna go into my email. So when you go to your email, you actually receive an email that asks you to activate your account. Click on that email, then click on activate my account, right? So I've already clicked this link, and right now this link is no longer working because I've already clicked that link before. But when you click that link, it will tell you that your account is now being activated, right? So you can now start using Altcoin Trader. So we're gonna log into Altcoin Trader. So after you create your account, it's very simple. You have to log in now to the Altcoin Trader account. So I'm gonna log in right now. Okay, so right now I'll set my two-factor authentication. So right now I'm just gonna put my two-factor authentication here. Alright guys, so now we are inside Altcoin Trader and I've logged in into my account, right? And if you want to set your two-factor authentication, just like what I have done right there, go to your profile, right? And then you can be able to go to security and you can set up your two-factor authentication. So for a video that is going to show you how to set up your two-factor authentication, I'm going to put a link, okay? So set up your two-factor authentication so that you get a level 3 verification, right? And not only that, you also need to put your personal details, right? This is very crucial. You have to do it, otherwise you'll get restricted on your withdrawal amount, right? So you can be able to withdraw 1 million Rand if you have two-factor authentication and you get your FICA verified, and your two-factor authentication has to be 1 month old or more, right? So you go ahead and put your FICA documents here. Your FICA documents are your ID and your proof of residence and the picture of you holding the ID. Go ahead and upload those documents, right? You just click here, right? And then you can upload your documents as you are shown right there, right? Your details, put your first name, your last name, ID, passport number. These details are very crucial because take for instance, somehow you can't log into your account. How are they going to verify that you are the rightful person? So you have to put your ID and your verification, right? But if you don't want to verify your account, it's still fine, but you're gonna be limited on the amount that you're gonna withdraw. Okay, so right, I've already deposited some Bitcoin, but I'm going to show you how I did the process of depositing these Bitcoins, right? So if you want to deposit Bitcoins, that is after you have entered your details and you have set your two-factor authentication for your account, right? So what you can do now, if you want to deposit Bitcoins into your Altcoin Trader, right, you go to deposit and click on deposit. Okay, now you're gonna choose what kind of deposit do you want to make. Do you want to make a rent deposit, or do you want to make a crypto deposit? Okay, so this time I want to make a Bitcoin deposit. Remember not to confuse Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, because it can somewhat get costly for you if you make that mistake of actually depositing Bitcoin Cash into a Bitcoin wallet, right? So make sure that Bitcoin, which is BTC, is the one that you choose if you want to deposit Bitcoin into your Altcoin Trader account. So I'm gonna click on Bitcoin, and then you get given now your wallet address. This is the wallet address in text format, and then this is your wallet address as a QR code generated automatically by the system, right? So this is the QR code that represents your wallet address. Okay, so what I did is, right on my phone I have a wallet, it's called a Jax wallet, and I'm going to also make another video that I'm going to show you how do you have a Jax wallet. Jax wallet is a very good wallet, and I use it on my phone, I use it on my computer as a desktop, I use it on as you can see right here. This is a Jax wallet. I'm just gonna click here to show you a Jax wallet. This is actually a Jax wallet that I just put onto my browser. Okay, so it's very safe, and it's also very reliable and easy to use. Okay, so I have it on my phone, and I've got Bitcoins on my phone, right? So what I did is I went to my Bitcoin wallet, I clicked on my Bitcoin wallet, and then I scanned this QR code, which actually put this wallet address automatically on a send to address, right? Then I chose to send 100 Rand firstly, and also I added another 50 Rand of Bitcoin, right? And then when I went to history, after a while I went to deposits, right? So this is where you see all your deposits, right? The first deposit that I made was this, and it was of 100 Rand from my Jax wallet, and the other one is 50 Rand from my Jax wallet into my Altcoin Trader wallet, right? Now I can see now here that the balance of my BTC is now 0.00139. okay, and those are the numbers, right? Okay, so if I want to see how much is this Bitcoin in rands, okay, I can go to home. This is the other way that you can do it. You can go to home, and you can copy this amount of Bitcoin, and then you can go to sell Bitcoin and paste it. Now you can see that my Bitcoin is worth 160 Rand. Okay, the other way that you can see how much Bitcoin do you have is by going to this user menu, click there, and then go to balances, right? So when you go to balances, you will see all your balances, right? So this is the Bitcoin that I have, and this is the total portfolio value, which means the total of all the coins that I have, right? So I only have Bitcoin right now. I don't even have rands. Okay, so right, let's go on to the next segment where I want to sell my Bitcoin. So how do you sell your Bitcoin? You can either sell your Bitcoin with the price that is already there, or you can set your own price, right? So when you are trading Bitcoin, you want to buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price and sell it at a more expensive price than you bought it, okay? And you get the difference, which is the profit that you would have made from that trade. What traders do, they don't usually buy Bitcoin at the current price. What they do is they put in their bids, right? Saying, okay, when Bitcoin reaches this point, I want to sell it. when Bitcoin goes to this level, I can buy it, then I can wait for it to go to this level to sell it, right? So you understand what I'm saying right now, because I'm going to show you what the user interface is like and how you can go about, doing your own thing at Altcoin Trader, right? So here you see a chart for Bitcoin, right? And this chart, it can be of any coin that is listed here, right? All these coins are the coins that are currently being able to be, traded at Altcoin Trader, right? If I click on Bitcoin Cash, you can see right here to my left, this chart has actually changed to show me the chart of Bitcoin Cash. If I click on Monero, it's also going to show me the chart of Monero, right? And also everything down here is going to change to the details of Monero, and we'll go and actually talk about what is down there, right? There are two markets, right? One market is for rands, which is trading a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin for rands, right? And the other market is between USD Tether and Bitcoin. All right, so let's go back to the rand market and let's click on Bitcoin, because that's what we have. We have Bitcoin right now, so we can only trade Bitcoin and rands for now, okay? And if I also want to trade with Tether, I would. Right now I want to trade with rand, right? The reason why I want to do this is because I want to be able maybe to withdraw those rands into my account, okay? So for withdrawing rands into my account, I have to actually transform these Bitcoins into rands. Then I withdraw my rands, right? How do I do that? Okay, firstly, I'll go about determining how much Bitcoin do I want to sell, right? Right now, I want to sell all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this value, right? And then I'm going to go here where it says sell Bitcoin, right? I just pasted the value of the Bitcoins that I have right here on Altcoin Trader to sell them. And the current price, right, that is being offered, right? This is one thing that I also want to show you. It says current sell offers and current buy offers. So right now people are selling Bitcoin at 115,500, okay? So there's actually someone who is selling 0.52368876 Bitcoin at a price of 115,500. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoins right now, okay? This is the first person that is actually gonna sell you the Bitcoins. So the person is not gonna manually sell you the Bitcoins, but the system is gonna sell you those Bitcoins that are being sold by this guy. This gentleman already, who is actually selling their Bitcoins for 115,500, will get their order fulfilled first because they are selling at a cheaper price, right? Then we go this side. This side is where the buy offers are. Okay, so the buy offers are the people who want to buy Bitcoin, right? So whoever wants to buy Bitcoin with a larger amount is the one who gets put on top. So if I can put right now an order saying that I want to buy Bitcoin with a larger amount than this one, which is 115,287, my order will get put on top, right? So right now I just want to sell my Bitcoin with the current price because I don't want to wait, okay? So when I'm selling the Bitcoins, I am going to sell it to the person who was going to buy it with the most price on the market, right? So the most price on the market is 115,287, and the system automatically puts the most price here. But however, if I want to change it, if I want to put more, if I want to sell, okay, I'm not in a rush to sell. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just put my own price and wait for Bitcoin to reach that price, okay? But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell it with the current price because I really need these rands very fast, okay? So this is how traders make money. Okay, they make money by saying, all right, I have Bitcoin. Let's say I have got my Bitcoin here, and these Bitcoins are worth 160 at this price, right? Instead of putting this price, I'm gonna say, okay, I'm not gonna sell when it's 115. I'm only gonna sell when it's 160,000. You see? So instead of getting 160 rand, now I'm now getting 223 rand. So my order will be put on the list. So my order will only get fulfilled if Bitcoin gets to that price. But if it doesn't get to that price, my order will remain as pending. Okay? But now I don't want my order to remain as pending. What I want is to buy Bitcoin at this price that this guy is selling here on top. So when it's like this, I can click on sell Bitcoin and my order will be fulfilled. So I'm going to click on sell Bitcoin, and then it asks me here that I should confirm that I want to, sell my Bitcoin, that is 0.001398583 Bitcoin at a price of 115,287, of which I will get 160 rand and 92 cents with all those digits after the comma. Then I'm just gonna click on sell, right? So right now I just clicked on sell. Now if I go on top, now you can see that I no longer have Bitcoins in my wallet, but now I have rands, 160 rand 31 cents, right? And congrats, you have just made your first Bitcoin sell. You have sold your Bitcoin and you've gotten rands. Okay, so what if now you want to withdraw these rands and put them into your bank account? So you've seen how easy it is for you to sell your Bitcoin and to make it rands. It's actually lightning fast. So I've sold my Bitcoin. Right now I want to withdraw my cash into my bank account. So I'm gonna click on withdraw. But right now it says your account is at level 1, your total withdrawal limit is 15,000, right? Right here your profile is incomplete. Okay, I haven't put my username and my first name, my last name, and my ID number and so forth. So it's actually very, very essential that you put those details before you actually do a lot of things. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to my account and actually make sure that my account is updated. Now let's go to personal details. Right, personal details. I'm just gonna put my name there. Alright, now that I've finished to put my details, now I'm gonna update my details. So after updating my personal details, I'm gonna go to communication and I'm gonna put my phone number there. So an OTP has been sent to my SMS, so I'm just gonna put my OTP right there. Alright, now my phone number is verified. Now if I go to withdraw, okay, so now what you need to do is you need to verify your phone number, put your personal details, and your account can be limited to 15,000 withdrawal. Okay, but if you need to withdraw more, you have to actually go through the FICA verification, whereby you submit your ID and your proof of residence. Okay, so right here I want to withdraw rands, and then right now I need to update my banking details. But also keep in mind that if you change your banking details, your account become on hold for about 24 hours. You have to wait for 24 hours for your transaction to actually get processed, right? Because of security reasons, right? So here I'm gonna put my bank account. Go ahead and put your bank account details here, right? So when you type your bank account details here, now if you go to withdraw, you will see your banking details right here. Right now you can copy this amount, right, and put it there, and now you're gonna withdraw 160.31, and the fee is gonna be 0.5%, which is 16 rand. So you're gonna receive into your account 143 rand. Okay, so if I click on withdraw right now, it will ask me, do you want to make this withdrawal? If I say okay, because it doesn't have a bank account, but if I have a bank account, it will say that withdrawal has been processed. So what you have to do now is to go into your email and click on the link. Then if you approve, you'll just wait for you to get the money into your account. So that's pretty much how you withdraw money into your bank account. It's very simple and it's very quick. Now that we have known how to sell your Bitcoin and actually how to withdraw the money, how do you actually buy Bitcoin if you want to buy Bitcoin? So remember, we have got our 160 Rand right here, and we want to use this 160 Rand to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and this time remember that people who are actually selling Bitcoin, they usually sell Bitcoin for a higher price than I have sold it. Like here you've seen that this person is selling Bitcoin for 115,817, whilst I sold this Bitcoin for about 115,200 something. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna take the loss. But if you are trading, you really don't want to do this. You just want to wait and make sure that the Bitcoin kind of like drops below the price that you bought it, right? But if you also see that, you know what, Bitcoin is going up, you can go ahead and buy even at that price if you are in a bull market, which means now it's Bitcoin going up and up and up and up. You might want to just buy regardless of the price that you sold it for. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna do something that I don't usually do, that is to now buy back the Bitcoin that I sold at a higher price than I sold it, right? Alright, so how do I go ahead and actually buy the Bitcoin with my 160 Rand here? Okay, it could be any amount, it could be millions that you have, but I have 160 Rand just to demonstrate. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna see how much, okay, can I buy with 160 Rand. Okay, so obviously it's gonna be 0 point something, 0 point, if I say 0.1, okay, with the current price I will need 11,581 to buy 0.1. So obviously I have to put some more zeros. If I put 3 zeros and 1, so if I put 3 zeros and 1, I will need 11 Rand to buy. So which means I have to remove 1 0 here. Okay, so if I put 2 zeros and 1, which is 0.001, I'm going to need 115 Rand to buy Bitcoin at the current price. Okay, so what if now if I add 5 here, I'm gonna need 173, of which I don't have 173, I have 160. Okay, so I'm gonna put 0.3. okay, let me put 4. Okay, so I'm gonna put 3 and 5. So here I'm gonna put 3 and 7. Okay, 3 8 3 9. Okay, so it's actually exceeded the amount that I have, so I'm gonna put 3 8 7. It's actually exceeded, so I'm just gonna put 3 8 2. Right, so pretty much I can buy this amount of Bitcoin for 160 Rand, right? So I'm gonna press on buy BTC. Then also it's gonna ask me to confirm if I want to buy this Bitcoin. Then I'm gonna click on buy, and if we go up there, we will see that I'm left with 0.69 cents, of which I have this amount of Bitcoin. So that is how you buy Bitcoin. Okay, all right, so this Bitcoin that I just bought, what if I want to withdraw it to pay someone with Bitcoin, or I want to withdraw it into another wallet, or I want to withdraw it to buy a mining pool like we do at Mining City? How do you actually withdraw these Bitcoins to actually use them? So you wouldn't want to keep your crypto inside an exchange like Altcoin Trader. What you want to do is to actually withdraw that crypto and put it in a safer wallet that you actually have control over. So what you have to do now is to withdraw those Bitcoins, but there are charges when you're withdrawing Bitcoins. I'm gonna go to withdraw, and this time I'm gonna choose BTC because I want to withdraw Bitcoin. So I have to go now to the wallet that I want to withdraw to. This time I have this Jax wallet, right? So in this Jax wallet, I'm gonna go to Bitcoin, then I'm gonna say receive, then I'm gonna go here and copy the address of my wallet, and then I'm gonna put here the wallet address, right? So this is the wallet address of the Bitcoin that address that you want to send to, right? So I'm just gonna copy here, and I want to send this amount of Bitcoin, and I'm gonna get charged 0.005 Bitcoin. So instead of this amount, I'm gonna receive finally this amount of Bitcoin, right? So if I go ahead and click withdraw right now, my Bitcoins will be sent to that wallet. Okay, so my Bitcoins will be sent to this wallet if I go ahead and say withdraw. But if I say withdraw here, I'll get a confirmation email that I have to just confirm that it's me who is authorizing this withdrawal. And after that, after a few minutes, I'll see my Bitcoins right in this wallet that I have right here. So if you need me to do a video to show you how you can set up your Jax wallet and actually have security over it, give a thumbs up for this video and also subscribe. In the beginning of this video, I told you that I am going to give 5 lucky people 100 Rand of Bitcoin each into their wallets, right? And what you have to do is simply subscribe onto this channel, and I'm going to be receiving notifications of who subscribed. And among those people, I'm going to choose 5 people that I'm going to announce on my next video, that I'm going to give each 100 Rand worth of Bitcoin into their wallets. So go ahead, open an Altcoin Trader account and actually practice what I've been just doing here. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding to what I said here, you can actually put them in the comments box and I will reply to every comment. So if you need me to touch on something that actually you didn't get right in this video, or something else that's relating to crypto and Bitcoin mining, you can actually put it in the comments down below. Then I will actually make a video dedicated to it. So subscribe, like this video, and share it with the people that you think need to see this video. And guys, until next time, Ngoni, I'm out.